and the kitty bombs the show. Okay, move over here, Putty Tat. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. All right, I'm trying to do this. Okay, so I'm trying to do my design team walkthrough video for Linedotarrow for my February project, and this is it. This is an insert for it, not for a future journal. I didn't want to make a full journal. I wanted to make something that had a lot of flips and folds, but was very thin, so I could so it can be an insert in a journal. And I wanted to play around with that a little bit because I really haven't done too much of that. Done a few in the past, but not too much. But anyway, so here it is. I will link the kit that I for this month, or well, February, last month, in the description box. And so let's just get to it. It's going to be really quick and simple. This is True Vintage seam binding that I've attached as a tie here, and then you have the front flap. This is vintage lace here, and then you have a little bit of cloth underneath to give it different textures and layering and stuff. And I need to glue those down to the window. But anyway, so you got to open it, but it's kind of like a wallet thing. Let me make sure I'm in shot here. Okay, so we have open it up, and first we have writing space here, and then you have a pocket here, and here. And then over here you have more writing space, and you could attach notes and things on that side, and then that folds in. And so then this side opens up, and I showed you the pocket from before. And then, yeah, and then you have a pocket here as well, so you could put something that has a picture in there, and then that will close it up. And then you have a pocket here for tags and things. And like I said, this is going to go into a future journal. I had a lot of fun making this. I hadn't worked, like I said, it's been a while since I worked with envelopes more than just one at a time. I just want to put some extra glue on this little tip so they don't. Okay. So, and then it's just really cute. You just tie it up, and it's super thin. And even after I put the tags and things in there that I'm going to put in there for the journal, it'll still be relatively flat, which is kind of, we're always trying to look for ways to add extra space and that in our journals. And I thought this would be really cute just to, like I said, add as an insert to a future journal. So, get out those, and this was all made from junk mail envelopes. So get out those envelopes, peeps. Grab your favorite paper and give it a go. I did lots of sewing around here, but you don't have to do sewing. Just use your glue. Yeah. And if you make an envelope flippy folder thing like I did, go ahead and tag me on Instagram and Facebook so I can check out your makes. Yeah, I just think it's just super cute. I love the colors. The kit was really pretty, and it just spoke to me to make this. I didn't want to do a full journal, and then just this came to me, and I'm like, yep, that's what I'm going to do. So you never know when your inspiration is going to spark and say, yep, that's the road we're taking. Don't be afraid to travel down that road. All right, my friends. Love you guys. See you later. Bye. Take care.